FunOutfitters.com. Today we're going to go over the features and benefits for the 2011 Crossfire 800 HO Limited. As you can see, the 800 Limited comes in the new Sublime Green, black and green paint scheme. It also comes down the side, runs down the side of the seat. It's a new color for 2011. The Limited comes with the deluxe gauge, analog digital gauge. It comes with the telescoping handlebars, can be moved up and down. The Limited should also have a set of color matched handguards. I can see they're missing on this model, but they should be right here, color matched handguards for it. It also comes standard with push button engine reverse. Just push the button here, actually puts your engine in, turns your engine backwards so you don't have to use the parts and gears for the reverse feature. It's a nice weight reduction. The Crossfires also have the frog skin vent covers here to keep snow and water out while letting air in, so you have less snow ingestion into your engine compartment. Also comes with the Fox float shocks on the front suspension and the adjustable 39 to 41 inch ski stands, which can be adjusted by moving the spacers in or out to move your skis one side or the other. Other nice features on the 800 Limited: it has the M Series seat on it. It has also the M Series gas tank, the 11 gallon M Series gas tank on it. It has the punched running boards for better snow and ice elimination, so you don't have snow and ice buildup while you're riding, so your feet slip. It has the gripped edge on the edge of your running board, keep your boots from slipping off the edge of your running boards while you're riding. The Limited Edition also comes with the rear storage bag in the back. It also has the 1.5 inch track on the Limited Edition, and the Crossfire series also has the low profile LED taillight for better illumination while riding. Again, this is Jeff at FunOutfitters.com. You can reach us at 866-531-0123 or look us up on the web at FunOutfitters.com. Thank you.